sake. Oh my days.
Oh, you're good.
Ow, yeah. I was literally just about to start filming another video and I was like, what the fuck?
I heard something like that.
Oh my days, bro. That is going to be the opening for the video for sure.
Was recording.
Yeah. Thanks, brother. Oh my God, let's get it. So today is the day that I'm starting my YouTube channel. Well, actually, technically it's not today. I started filming content about 3 weeks ago, but today is the day that I'm filming my introductory video to this YouTube channel. So welcome. For people that know me, my name is Mikey Lynch. I come from a small town called Marlow in Buckinghamshire in the UK. About 35 minutes from central London on the Elizabeth line. Big up the Elizabeth line. Best thing to happen to our train system in a very long time. So I've been traveling for about 10 years now. I left England in 2014 to pursue my dreams of traveling the world. I left with my good friend Charlie Diprose. We ended up actually splitting ways pretty shortly after we left England and when we got to Australia. We just had sort of different ideas for what our travels were. I met a group of people in Sydney that I would now class as my friends for life, my family. A group of people from just Brighton or just outside of Brighton and Hove. And yeah, I got into a decent job. I started working in video production, and I really enjoyed the split between the lifestyle balance of work and play in Sydney in the city. And I just thought it was just, you know, it was my first time traveling outside the country, and everything was just amazing as it is when you first leave the country. From Sydney, I actually did quite a bit of traveling to places like Thailand, Cambodia. I've done Brazil, Chile. I've done Europe 3 times during the times that I was living out in Australia. I then moved to Canada after living in Australia and not continuing on with my sponsor. I was sponsored by a production company, and basically the company got bought out by an American firm and decided they didn't want none of us. So I lost my job, and then I went to Canada for 2 years. And then after Canada, I moved to New Zealand, and I'd just been living in New Zealand for the last 3.5 years. Amazing country, beautiful people, some of the best hikes I've ever done in my life. I literally just can't comprehend some of the things I saw. I got so emotional, so happy to just be alive. I don't think I've ever got up the top of a mountain and just cried of pure joy, but I did when I was in New Zealand. It was just such a phenomenal place. And so, do you know what, guys? I kind of been fed up of not capturing my journey. For people that know me well, they know that I've been involved very much heavily in photography and video work since I was a young boy. And it's something that I've always had a huge passion for. And it's something that I've kind of pursued on and off throughout the years, due to probably lack of motivation, discipline, and getting involved in other things, and just having the most ADHD scrambled brain ever. So I'm always thinking of the next idea and kind of, you know, allowing the last project that I was involved in, or just moving on too quickly and not finishing an idea off. So this is something that I've definitely battled with over the years. Procrastinated, the fear of putting myself out there to the world, to the people, kind of showing everyone what I get up to in my private life, and just putting everything on display. But I'm very much an open person, very opinionated about, you know, things that I'm passionate about in this life. And I kind of thought, fuck it, I need to just stop procrastinating and just put it out there. So guys, this is it. This will be my channel. There's no exciting or cool name. It's literally going to be called Mikey Lynch. Come explore with me, Mikey Lynch, around the world, and I will show you parts of my life and what's going on out here in the world, the beautiful people that I meet, the photographs that I take, the conversations that I have, the amazing things that I see. Like just then, I literally thought that was a bird, and it was someone throwing a paper bag into the ground. So guys, I want to be able to take you on these adventures with me and explore the world and get up to some of these insane shenanigans that I find myself in, some of the weirdest situations ever, and some of the coolest situations ever. But I want to show you everything as much as I can, unfiltered, me in the purest form. So here we are, guys. Come with me on this journey and let's explore the world. Currently I'm in Thailand. I'm in a little town called Mae Sari. I have been on the Mae Hong Song loop for the last 3-4 days. I was originally traveling with my friend Amondo, and he's got stuck in Pai, the whole Pai hole. He's probably walking around barefoot right now, sipping on chai tea, loving life, joint in one hand, beer in the other. Where's the chai tea then? Balancing on his head? Yeah, didn't think that one through, did I? But yeah, guys, these are my settings. I'm currently just at a little hostel, and I've been thinking about making this video for the last couple of days and how I'm going to start it and what I'm going to say, but sometimes it doesn't matter. You just need to get the ball rolling. So this is the ball that's rolling. I'm currently just sat here chilling, sipping on a coffee. It's very late. I woke up very late today. I had a bit of a late night last night. Smoked too many joints, had a beer. But yeah, my mind was just racing last night. I was just thinking about all these ideas for the channel and different challenges. And guys, I also want to get your feedback as well. I want to understand what you guys want to see from this channel, what you want me to do, what you want me to see, if you've got any challenges, any questions for me. This is going to be a channel for you guys just as it is for me and my family. You know, this channel is hopefully going to inspire other young people out there to go and travel. Just quit your job, build up a little bit of money, and just remove that aspect of fear from your life and just travel, get on a plane, get a one-way ticket. Hopefully it's also going to give you advice, hopefully some travel hacks and tips. And really, I just want to inspire people to go out there and see the world and see these different cultures, different people. I feel like in Western society, more specifically, we're very much comfortable in the way of our life. You know, sometimes we're in jobs that pay just enough for us to kind of get by. Like, it's okay money, but it's not shit, it's not amazing, it's not terrible, it's just okay. It's comfortable, we're going on in life, but nothing's really happening, nothing really exciting's happening, and we find ourselves constantly doom scrolling and watching other people's videos. And I hope that one day a video like this, or one of my videos, comes across your little news feed or your device or whatever it is that you're looking at this on, and you look at this video and you go, fuck yeah, I want to do what this guy's doing. I want to do that. This has inspired me to go and travel. This has inspired me to try new food, to try something different in life. And so yeah, I'd love for you guys to be able to give me some feedback on how these videos will inspire you, or maybe inspire you in the near future. So yeah, guys, I'm rambling on a bit as I usually do. I'm going to finish this coffee. I'm going to grab myself some food. There was a nice little restaurant that I was at recently where it's like 100 baht for like a really nice breast of chicken with some salad and a little smoothie on the side. So I'm going to go over there and fill my belly up, and then I'm going to get on to releasing the first ever video, which I think was me in a Muay Thai fight. Not in a Muay Thai fight myself, but I went to go watch a Muay Thai fight with some friends that I met at a hostel here in Thailand. I think that was on Koh Samui. But I've been filming so much cool shit that it's sometimes difficult to wrap my brain around, like, where am I going to start? What am I going to do? How am I going to start off this video? But for me, it's all kind of part of the fun. It's all part of the process. I know that I'm going to be failing a lot and learning a lot and picking myself back up. And yeah, that's all part of the process that I'm definitely all for. And so look, guys, I do appreciate any support that I've already had so far from friends and family from back home. But watch your space. This is the start of a new channel. Mikey Lynch, come and explore with me. Let's go.
Michael, she wanna give you water.
See what?
She wanna give you water.
Oh, cup and cup. What a view. Straight from the hostel. That can't be half bad.